What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at the drag strip, and we have all the guys with us tonight. This guy right here is a manual Whipple with a built RPG engine sitting in it. It's got all the goodies in it, and he's gonna go run it down the track tonight, right? See what I can do. First time out in it, right?
First time racing a manual.
First time racing a manual? Oh my lord, he's gonna have a lot of fun tonight, guys. Hey, gotta give it to him though. He's still got a manual, but guys, he's gonna be out here running tonight. And then we've got the blue car out here. You call it the last video, I talked about we do have a second gear lead tune. Not sure if that's gonna help me, not sure if it's gonna hurt me, but we're about to find out tonight. We do have the trans brake. Not sure if I'm gonna use it or not. Really don't want to break that drive shaft tonight. Really don't want to break it, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, we're about to go make a run. All right, guys, we're about to make our first pass. Let's see what this thing will do. Definitely gonna have to go back to first gear leave. It was just too dead out of the hole. Once she picked up steam, she really moved though. Yeah, we were way off. All right, we're 107 mile per hour with a 17960, so my 60 foot suffered. Everything suffered, so we're gonna go ahead and flash it back to the first gear leave tune and drive down the road really quick, let it do some shifting, and then come back in and make a pass. All right, guys, we're on 60% duty cycle instead of 50, so that's around 9 pounds instead of 7-ish to 8 pounds. We're right around 9 pounds now, and I put the first gear leave tune back in because that's a little soft. When we get to running 14, 13, 14, 15 pounds of boost, we'll get back on the second gear leave tune and stuff like that, or when we get the two-step in and we're able to leave on boost, because that will make the car launch much harder also. But anyway, guys, let's get going. Let's get this show on the road. Just need a good solid pass A to B on 60%, what I tried to do last weekend before the axle broke. Look at that log and look at the boost, and if I think I can turn it up more, we will. If not, we'll let it stay there. That felt really good, so we're gonna see how we did. Okay, 686 at 108, 17360. So I'm gonna look at the log and see where the timing was and see how it liked it. Last week the air was a tad better, and it really liked everything. I wish last week we could have been able to run that 60% duty cycle all the way down the track. But I'm gonna look at the log and see how it looks. If I think we can turn it up, we will. If not, we'll just leave it alone. All right, guys, we turned it up. The log looked good. just a little on a couple
Quarter
shifts.
mile.
But we're gonna drop it back down. That was 10.6 and I wasn't supposed to go over 10. But I'm still figuring out this boost controller. So 682 at 109 with a 17260. So I'm just gonna drop the boost back down a little bit, guys, pick the game up a little bit and then go from there, because she ran that good last week on low boost. All right guys, we turned it back down to 60%, raised our gain up. We're gonna try to get a good launch, because that last time I launched on 60%, it was a 2000 RPM launch. So we're gonna try to get a better launch. Good guys, when I hit second, I had to pull off the throttle a little bit. That felt really good. I probably went slower because I pulled off the throttle, but it felt really good. It felt a lot better. Like I said, I pulled off the throttle when I hit second because it spun. Let's see here. Yeah, 692 at 109. Oh yeah, here we go. We're making a last pass of the night. That feels good, guys. That little bit of boost feels so good. We get the 4-to-1 headers on, we get the E85, we turn this bad boy up, and we're gonna be moving. Yes sir. Gotta love it, man. It is just so much fun, so much fun. Hellhorse, I love this turbo kit, guys. I'm gonna love it even more when we get the 4-to-1 headers on it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Y'all be careful going home.
Ah, so close. 16960, a 680 at 108. So close to the 6.7. That mile per hour, guys. If we get that down to like a 1.5, that mile per hour's there. Yeah, I didn't have much of a cool down that time, guys. So yeah. But anyway, gotta love it, man. Got to love it. Let me know if you guys like the draggy footage. It actually shows my quarter mile time, even though I'm coasting after the 8th mile. I kind of like it, you know. I think a 10.9 at 97 miles an hour. We need to go run in the quarter, guys. We need to go run in the quarter. But yeah, there we go. 680 at 108. That last pass we did was 109. So, but I spun on the 1-2 shift. We got where we needed to be on the track and the groove this time, and didn't spin like we did last time on the 1-2. So there, you know, there's a mile per hour, and sometimes when you spin you get a little higher mile per hour. But there you go, guys. 108, 686, 682, 109, 109, 108, 108. Playing around with the boost levels, and I'm telling you, she likes where she's at right now on the 93. I'm gonna look at the logs when I get home and review them and look at them. But E85, 4-to-1 headers, turn it up. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a blast out here tonight. Ran a 680 at 108, 680 flat, so close to 679 with a 169.60 foot. Gotta work on that 60. But anyway, he ran his fastest pass, but guess what? He don't tell his passes. This thing is moving, guys. This thing is moving. When I can leave on boost, me and you are going to tango. Good. Me and you are going to have a lot of fun. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks to David for coming out. He comes out every Friday night. All the track footage you've been seeing for the last 3 track videos all came from this man right here. Corey, as always, one day I'm gonna let him tell you what this runs. I tell you what, when you make it faster, you can tell him what it ran now.
On the truck motor.
On the truck motor. Yeah. He still claims that truck motor. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.